What were the circumstances leading to the death?
There was an altercation. They were in a funeral.
Mm-hmm.
They were planning their brother's funeral.
Another brother
had died. So they were in the meeting.
Mm-hmm.
So as they were discussing how they went
to bury him,
they fought. There was some altercation, and they fought, and it happened.
So why are you wasting this court's time without option of pursuing manslaughter, if those are the circumstances as we put them?
I did that, and I even made the proposal to the prosecution.
And they rejected?
They rejected it flatly.
Okay.
I did that, even commented on the same.
Mm-hmm.
I did the proposal on manslaughter.
You want me to record you on that? Can I record you? You had made an offer for manslaughter?
On the plea bargain?
Yes, plea bargain.
Yes, I did a proposal for manslaughter.
We had offered plea bargain, which was rejected. Okay. Ms. Joroge, you know, those who thought about Article 159 to 2D had a reason for it. There are things that happen whose answer may lie elsewhere, not here. And the parties may have a way of resolving those issues in the best way they know than through this process. Because why I'm asking this, I have looked at this matter. Since 2023, this man has been in custody. Clearly, from what I hear from you, those witnesses are not willing to come here. You have taken a position which is within your right to take the position that we pursue murder, which is okay, because eventually we'll make the decision based on the evidence that comes. But you are now in a situation where you don't even have the witnesses. You're asking for an adjournment. We grant you an adjournment to when and to what effect? That is the question. Number two, from the facts as narrated, you have also the set of bundle. You will also look at it. If what counsel has stated is anything to go by, then there is every likelihood that you may end up with a manslaughter situation. So that from where I sit, without prejudice, I will hear the evidence, yes. But then, why not you look at AJS plea bargain together and make up your mind on what to do with this matter? Because it doesn't serve anybody's interest for us to sit here since April 2023, and this is 2026. This man has been in for 3 years now. 3 years, no trial. Secondly, he is not out on bail. And I suppose the people who are supposed to get him out are the same family that is avoiding this court. Add questions. There are very easy answers if you ponder on them. I'll grant you an adjournment. At the next hearing, which will be in June, come here with a position that is workable and that serves the interests of justice. Let us not just harden positions and yet we are not able to move them.